Let's see what's new in WordPress version 5.4. WordPress version 5.4 was released to the public on March 31st, 2020. This new version is mostly focused on WordPress block editor. Okay, so in this we have a lot of performance about the block editor editing, block editor color. We have full screen editor mode, we have more color options, we have drag and drop, featured image option. Let's now discuss in detail with each point. First point is full screen editor will be default in WordPress 5.4. WordPress 5.4 display the block editor in the full screen mode by default. This change will be noticeable on new WordPress installation, or if you are accessing this WordPress admin area from a new device, browser, or in the incognito mode. Suppose that you already worked on Chrome browser and if you want to check these updates on the same browser that you have already worked, in that case only the last enable editor function will show to you. Okay, if you are upgrading from WordPress 5.3 using the same browser and the device that you regularly use, then your editor will open with the last mode you had enabled. If you want to exit full screen mode, then you can easily exit it by clicking the setting icon by unchecking the full screen mode. And if you want full screen mode, then you can also make the blog editor with full screen mode. Here in the screenshot we have preview, publish, and this setting icon. When you click on this setting icon, it will show you full screen mode. You can check it for full screen mode, and check by unchecking it you can exit the full screen mode. Now the next point is new block in WordPress 5.4. WordPress 5.4 bring two new blocks for you to use while writing content. First point is social icon block, and second one is the button block. In the social icon block, as the name suggested, the social icon block allow you to add social media icon in your post and pages. Suppose that if you want to add any social icon in your post or page, then you can easily add any social icon and update your URL for the social page. Okay, and if you want to share any particular post on social platform, then it doesn't have social sharing button. For that you need to install a social media plugin with sharing feature. Now next point is the button block. WordPress 5.4 introduced the button block, which will replace the button block. As you can guess from the name of the new block, it allows you to add multiple buttons side by side. Suppose that in any page you need to add some buttons side by side, and if you want to give a different color, different style for each button, then you can easily update your buttons with different style and with different color. In this we have color background colors, and we have gradient color scheme. Then you can easily update according to your choice. Now next point is more color option for block. WordPress 5.4 offer new color option for multiple block. Suppose that in one page you have 5 different section, and you want to give 5 different color for each section by this block editor, then you can easily update different color for each section. Previously we don't have this option. Previously user were only be able to change the color of all text in a paragraph. With WordPress 5.4 you can now change the color of any text inside a paragraph block. Suppose that in previous version, if we want to change any text color in a paragraph, then we don't have that feature in previous version. In previous version, we need to change, there is a function full paragraph color will change. Okay, but now WordPress 5.4 version, if you want to change any text color, any sentence color different, then we can easily update it by the color scheme. Next point is drag and drop and add feature image. Previously, you needed to manually select to upload and set the featured image. Previously, you needed to manually select to upload and set the featured image. This doesn't match the drag and drop ability of the content editor. Content editor means like Elementor or any page builder. We have easy way to update your text, update your image. We have drag and drop function. We have drag and drop function for image, video. Okay, but in this new version of WordPress 5.4, we have these options in blog editor as well. Now with WordPress 5.4, you can simply drag and drop an image to the featured image section. Here you can see in the screenshot, we can easily drag this image and leave it in set featured image section. Then it will automatically update as a featured image. Now next point is better mobile toolbar for blog editor. Previously, if you had to edit a blog post using a mobile device, then you may have noticed how the blog setting toolbar moved around. Because previously when we go desktop to mobile device, then each pixel got changed, the design. But in the WordPress 5.4 version, we have fixed toolbar option. This made it quite difficult to use editor on mobile device in previous version, but now in WordPress 5.4 version has fixed this with a fixed toolbar on the top. Now next point is select image size in the gallery block. Previously you were not able to select image size for image in the image gallery block. Now you can select image size directly in the gallery block setting. Here in the screenshot you can see we have image size. By clicking it, we have different size, large, small and medium. So you can update your image, your profile, your blog image, featured image according to your need and according to your size. Whatever your size you want, you can update it. The next point is updated privacy tools in WordPress 5.4. WordPress 5.4 bring improvement to the built-in privacy tools, personal data export, now including session tokens, community event location, and custom user data. Personal data export now comes in 2 lines in HTML and JSON. The HTML file will help you to include table of the content of the top at the top for the easier navigation. Next point is improved latest post blog. Previously, the latest post blog didn't include the featured image. Thank you. And you have any query, guys?